Hello friends, have you forgotten your UAN? Or are you trying to log in the EPFO portal but don't know your UAN? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the EPFO official process to retrieve your UAN online in just 2 minutes using your registered mobile number and Aadhaar. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Ajay and you are watching The Professional Age. Before we begin, let's understand why knowing your UAN is important. EPFO is continuously making its service available online to make them easier, faster and more convenient for all members. But to access these facilities, you must have your UAN. Without your UAN, you may not be able to access many important EPFO online services. Many employees whose PF contribution is deducted from their salary are aware of their PF member ID, which is provided by the company, but are not familiar with their UAN. However, there is an important difference between PF member ID and UAN. So let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you join company A. Your company will register you under EPF through the employer portal. During this process, a PF member ID will be created for you and linked with your UAN. Now let me clarify one important point. Earlier, what used to happen when a new employee joined a company, the UAN was generally generated by the company itself. However, under the latest EPFO process, the new UAN generation is now done by the employee itself through the Umang app using Aadhaar face authentication. After generating the UAN, the employee shares it with the employer, who then links it with the establishment and create a PF member ID. If you would like a video on that, on how to generate a new UAN through Umang application, please let me on the comment. I'll be happy enough to make a video on that. Okay, back to the screen. Now suppose you leave company A and join company B. Again, a new PF member ID will be generated by the company B, but your UAN will remain the same. Similarly, if you leave company B and join company C, then again another new PF member ID will be generated by company C while the same UAN will continue. So as you can see, one employee can have multiple PF member IDs but can have only one UAN. All your PF member IDs from your current company and previous companies are linked with the single UAN. Using this single UAN, you can access your PF details, passbook, profile, nomination, claims and other EPFO online services for both your current and previous employment. So what you have understood here, UAN will remain the same throughout your career, but the PF member ID will keep on changing as you join a new company. So let's start the process to retrieve your UAN. Before starting the process, please keep the following ready: your registered mobile number, any one of these ID proofs, Aadhaar, PAN, member ID. In this video, I'll use my registered mobile number and Aadhaar for demonstration. So let me show how you can know your UAN. First, come to the UAN login page. Scroll down. Here you will see various options. Click on third one. Here, now you will be redirected to the Know Your UAN page. You can see the heading here. Retrieve or find your UAN in 2 simple steps. Scroll down, click on Get Started. But before we begin, please read this important note. Ensure you have your registered mobile number and any one of the following ID proofs: Aadhaar, member ID, PAN. I already have both my registered mobile number and Aadhaar with me. So let's get started. Now enter your registered mobile number. Select ID proof as Aadhaar. Enter here Aadhaar number. Now enter the CAPTCHA. Then click on Send OTP and verify. You will receive OTP in your registered mobile number. Now enter the OTP. Verify OTP. I think I have entered the wrong OTP. No problem. Let me do it again. Resend it. OTP sent successfully. Enter new OTP. Click on Verify OTP. Okay. So here is the final page. UAN retrieved successfully. So here is the UAN number. You can copy it and save it somewhere safe for future. That's how you can retrieve your UAN online. And the entire process does take hardly 2 minutes only. Before ending this video, let me share one important point. This online method works only if you have access to your registered mobile number, because an OTP will be sent to that number for verification. If you don't have access to your registered mobile number, don't worry, you can contact to your company or you can visit EPFO office for further assistance. I hope this video helped you to retrieve your UAN successfully and gave you a clear understanding of why your UAN is important for accessing various EPFO online services. If you found this video useful, please like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to the Professional Edge for more related videos. If you have any question about this video, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.